Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best power reclining sofas on Amazon. Whether you're looking for a luxurious leather piece or a fabric sofa that's easy to clean, we've got something for you. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Macombo Power Reclining Sofa. The Macombo Power Reclining Sofa is an excellent choice for those looking for a comfortable and stylish sofa. The power reclining feature allows users to independently control the backrest and footrest of the seats at both ends for sublime relaxation. Furthermore, it has 8 built-in vibrating points and 1 lumbar heating area in seats at both ends that can be adjusted to meet the needs of individual users. This ensures that any muscle pain or atrophy can be relieved after long hours of work or athletics. Additionally, the center console is conveniently designed with a storage compartment that is neither too deep nor too shallow, perfect for holding remotes and reading materials. What we like about it: 9 different vibration presets. Surprisingly soft material for the price point. 2 pockets for controllers and cup holders. What we don't like about it: difficult assembly process. Number 2. Signature Design Power Reclining Sofa. The Signature Design Power Reclining Sofa is an absolute must-have for any modern home. It provides an elevated level of comfort and luxury, with thick chenille upholstery, one-touch power control, and power headrests. Not only do you get 2 reclining seats with this Levessiette, but you also get a center storage console and 2 cup holders, making it the perfect addition to your recliner, sofa, or sectional set. The sleek design of this Levessiette is further complemented by its sturdy corner-blocked frame and metal-reinforced seats. As a bonus, the USB port can keep you charged up as you relax. What we like about it: comfortable and soft armrests. Beautiful color and fabric. What we don't like about it: insufficient assembly instructions. Number 3. Seatcraft Power Reclining Sofa. Want to make your theater at home? The Seatcraft Power Reclining Sofa is the perfect combination of luxury and convenience. Crafted with meticulous detail and care, this seating is made with genuine top-grain leather from the top 30% of hides for unbeatable comfort, quality, and durability. Every feature of this seating has been designed with your comfort in mind. Powered reclining and adjustable powered headrests give you the perfect position for a viewing experience like no other. The center fold-down table comes complete with 2 cup holders, wireless, and AC USB, charging for both convenience and luxury. What we like about it: generous cup holders and storage console. Reclines to 35 degrees for comfortable lounging. What we don't like about it: difficult to maneuver up stairwells or around corners due to its size. Number 4. Lexicon Power Reclining Sofa. The Lexicon Power Reclining Sofa is a luxurious piece of furniture perfect for any living space. Whether you're looking to spruce up your living room or home theater, this reclining sofa has it all. The polished microfiber upholstery is extremely comfortable and stylish and provides a sleek finish. At each end of the sofa, you'll find a reclining seat that can be easily operated with just a push of a button, no manual labor required. You'll also find a USB port that allows you to charge your electronic devices at the same time for added convenience. In the center of the sofa, there is a drop-down tray with a charging station and cup holders, so you can enjoy your favorite drinks while watching TV or gaming. What we like about it: super comfortable padding. Easy to assemble. What we don't like about it: doesn't have an adjustable headrest. Number 5. Sexaphere Power Reclining Sofa. Sexaphere Power Reclining Sofa is the perfect addition to any living room, home theater, or office space. With its alluring blue LED lighting and 2 convenient power recliners, comfort and convenience are taken to a whole new level. The faux leather material is luxuriously soft to the touch and provides a luxurious look and feel. Thanks to the console storage and cup holders, you can relax in comfort, knowing that your snacks and beverages are within reach. Plus, the built-in USB port makes it easy to charge your devices as you relax. The sofa set is surprisingly easy to assemble, requiring only 30 minutes or less of your time. Overall, this is an all-in-one powerhouse of comfort and convenience that looks great in any room. What we like about it. Feels sturdy and durable. Stylish stitching accents. Easy to maintain the fabric. What we don't like about it. Not suitable for small spaces. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.